Alright, this video is going to show you how to install a needle clamp on Singer 1591. It's the same clamp that is on the 1588 through 91. It's different from the 1530s. I want to show you on the back of the needle bar is there's a groove and then a little round cup. Now that cup is important because this, your lower thread guide, which is on the part of the needle clamp, sits in there. You also have your clamp body, which is the same on both sides, so it doesn't matter which way it goes, you know, which way you're putting it in. And then there's this little thin flat screw which holds the needle clamp body into place on the needle bar. And then of course your needle clamp and screw and needle. To start, you want to take this lower thread guide, and you can see it's got a little thing that sticks out on it. This is what makes it different than the 201. And when you look at the body from the side, you'll see this little round area sticks out more. This goes to the right side because it inserts into the body like that. So when you're looking underneath, that's what your needle clamp's going to look like. So I'm going to try to zoom in. And then now you want to hold all that together, hopefully I won't get in the way, and slide it up on the needle bar so you're up into that little round spot. You take your flat screw, put it on the left side, and there's a little divot on the needle bar that you'll see on the tip of the screw is like a little pin, and that's what locks it into place in position once you get the screw in. This can be a little tricky if you... Okay, so now I got that into place, and then tighten that screw down. So now it holds your needle clamp body to the needle bar. Put your screw in, your thumb screw for tightening the needle, and then on the back side of the needle, well, not the back side, on one side of the needle there's a groove. This groove faces to the right towards the throat, or the right side of your machine. And then on the opposite side of the needle is going to be a flat area. This flat area sits to the left. So once you find your groove, it's easier to find it with your nail. You just slide the needle up into the body, turn your screw, and there you have it. And it's clamped into place. And it's that simple. The most important part is when you're putting the body on here to make sure you have that round area inserted into the clamp body, so you'll be able to slide it up on the shaft. And so mine went fairly easy, clamping it down with the screw. And there you have it. So hopefully that'll help you. I know these can be a little tricky at times. When I was first doing them, it was very tricky. So, alright, so enjoy the video. Thanks.